Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. Today I am here to do review of 3 best air fryer. So here I am presenting the best air fryer. The first one is Hamilton Beach 5.3 quarter digital air fryer. This hot air fryer lets you air fry, roast, bake or reheat particularly every kind of fresh or frozen food and enjoy a delicious crispy exterior using very little oil. Large 5-liter 5.3 quarter non-stick basket fit a whole 5 lb. Chicken or enough food to feed 4 to 6 people. You will find yourself using it all week long to cook or reheat everything for small snacks to family size meal. Since it cooks food faster than a traditional or toaster oven, this is the best air fryer to get every meal from your kitchen to the table quickly. The intuitive digital display lets you simple tap to select the icon of the cooking function you want to use on this electric air fryer. Steak, chicken, shrimp, fish, pizza, french fries, baked goods, and veggies. Cook for up to 60 minutes from 175 F to 400 F. This audible beep tells you when your food is done and the power automatically shut off. The next one is Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. The Cosori Smart Wi-Fi has arrived on kitchen since the first air fryer can now be controlled and monitored with mobile devices. With the smart feature, Wi-Fi Cosori is taking your meal preparation to a new level of convenience. Remotely control your fryer through the Whiskin app or voice command with the Amazon, Alexa or Google Assistant. Enjoy adjusting and monitoring the cooking progress of your meal remotely. Find our 100 original pre-programmed recipe in VSineX app to get you started with new recipes being added weekly. Find even more recipes for Cosori user themselves in your online community. Want to eat healthy or give the gift of healthier eating? Give the gift of 85% less oil with favorite deep-fried oil glittering in the kitchen. Enjoy the same delicious crisp texture and taste as traditional fried food. Cook your meal in less time than it would take in conventional you like the video. If you like